In this video, I'm going to teach you what to play two-player on FC24 PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy-to-follow steps to set up local multiplayer on FC24. You will be able to have a match with up to 4 players, aka 4 controllers, on the same console, and after I talk about how to set it up offline, I'm also going to give you instructions on how to do online play with 2 players. So first, for local co-op, aka split screen or offline play, all that you have to do is make sure that you have the additional controller or controllers connected to the PlayStation 5. You can do this process later, but I recommend that you just go ahead and set them up beforehand. Once you connect an additional controller, you might have to assign a user profile to that controller. So go ahead and either create a new PlayStation Network account or just set it up as a guest, whatever you prefer. Once the controller has been successfully connected inside of EA FC24, usually you want to go into the kick-off mode. So kick-off is what I recommend. It's easy to set up a match and change all of the parameters in play however you like to play. Now, inside of kick-off, you will be able to set up one controller for the home team and then one controller for the away team. So all that you have to do is highlight the controller and then move left or right accordingly. If you haven't connected the controller already, this is the time to do it, and as soon as you press any button on the secondary controller after you assign a user account, you can then move it to the home or away team accordingly. Just make sure that either of you are on opposite teams, and like I said, you can connect additional controllers up to 4 people in the same kick-off match. Now, if you want to do online, the process is mostly the same, but you will need to have your friends added on the PlayStation Network friends list and also the EAFC or EA friends list. And as long as you go over to any online mode, you will find your option to press triangle to load up someone and invite them over, as you can see highlighted here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2 players on FC24 PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.